will you be in 2041 during the next Cicada Emergence?
Be here with her. Yes,
Sending this one off to college.
I want to be a cicada collector. In my house hiding. An astronaut.
An astronaut? You'll be in space?
Hopefully somewhere warm and nice, on vacation, retired.
Hopefully retired.
I will be retired.
I'll be retiring.
Hopefully retired.
On the beach drinking margaritas.
I'll probably still be taking Taylor Swift requests from 5-year-olds.
I would probably just be in Disney World, just working there.
Probably here at the next food truck event.